Hello guys, and what's up again in our tutorial how to calculate lot size in Forex trading. Number one is determine your TP and your SL point price. So make sure that you know where is your TP and where is your SL point price first before you identify how much lot size you're going to use on your trading. Alright, so make sure you know, because you will identify that particular the pricing and how much the value or how much the money that you're going to earn and you're going to lose on that particular trade, right? So number two is measure your SL and TP value, right? Because this is the points that we're going to use to determine how much is your lot size to calculate, right? So this is the formula on how to calculate your lot size. Okay, the formula on SL. So to determine is you have to know the number of pips first on that particular SL value, right? And then you multiply it by numbers of lot size, and that is the amount of the value that you're going to earn or you're going to lose on your SL, right? So let's say, for example, you decided that I want to lose $50, possible $50 on this particular trade. So I will check on my SL value. Let's say my SL value is equivalent to 50 pips. So that means that if I'm using one lot on this particular trade, 50 pips, I am be losing $50. So is it okay for me? Alright, so is it okay for me that particular dollars well, I'm going to lose? Okay, so that is how to determine your lot size, right, on your SL. So determine first how much you're going to lose, right? So formula on TP, this is the calculation, right? So number of pips multiplied by your lot size is equivalent to your amount dollar value, right? So let's say, for example, you already identify your TP, you identify about 100 pips TP, right? And then multiply by your lot size. Let's say you're going to earn possible $100. It's just times 2 from your previous SL here, right? Okay, so this is times 2. So let's say 100 pips based on your calculation on the market. So you're going to lose about $100. So that means you will be losing 0.1 lot, right? So the lot size, it depends on your broker price value. Let's say sometimes depends on the broker. If your broker charge you every pips, okay, every pips 0.1 lot is equivalent to $1. So that means you will be earning $100 on 100 pips, right? So that's quite simple, right? So I'm gonna share with you on MT4 how to calculate that, right? Okay, this is your, let's say this is your Euro US dollar. Okay, so if you're using H1 or H1 time frame, the market is still moving up, right? So from here it's moving up, and then this is just for example that this is your entry point. Maybe possible that the market will reverse back to uptrend, right? So possible, let's say this is your entry here, all right? This is your entry. Maybe you can put either directly in your trading here. You can put either you're using market execution or you want to use pending order. Pending order, you can have buy stop or sell stop, or buy limit or sell limit, right? So let's say the moment that the market will open on this reach on this portion, I'm expected that the market will reverse back, because I see there is a support here that the market may possible that it will reverse the moment that it reach this price, right? So what I'm going to do is I will determine, if this is the price, I will determine that my stop loss may be at here, okay, here, right, or lower than this, right? So just like that. And then my TP, so I'm using 1 hour time frame, right? So it takes about 1 day or within one day I can close this trade, right? So I can change this here. Okay, now I already identified the points where I am going to put my SL. So this is my SL here. This is my starting of my trade, going to open my trade, and this is my TP, right? On your, this is a buy order, right? So look at that. It will possible that it will reverse here, then it will shoot up back, right? So that is my expectation. So in Forex is always probability, right? So what I'm going to do is I will calculate how much the pips. So I have 25 pips here. So I will take a calculator here. So 25 pips, and I am willing to lose, maybe the 25 pips is about, I'm going to lose about $25. So that is the $25. That means that if I'm using one lot, that means 0.1, which is one lot is equivalent to $1. This means that $1 multiplied by 25, this is equivalent to $25. So I'm going to lose about $25 on this trade, particular trade, right? So how much I earn? So I will be earning how much here based on the chart. It is $58, okay, 58 pips. So that means that if I'm using 0.1, all right, 0.1 lot, that is equivalent to $1, because my broker charged me every 0.1 is equivalent to $1, all right? So that means $1 multiplied by 58 pips. So that is I'm going to earn this particular trade 58 pips. That if I'm using one lot, right? If you will be using standard lot, so you just convert it to 10. If let's say standard lot is 1, I'm going to use 1 lot here. That means my broker charged me with, because my broker, I'm using FXPrimus market, they charge me with 1 lot is equivalent to $10, right? So that is $10. So that means if on my stop loss, if I'm willing to lose based on my, this is my 2% based on my account, I'm going to lose this about 25 pips. So that means multiply by 25 is equivalent to 250. Alright, so that is 250 is over on my possible losses on my calculation, alright, based on my account here. So make sure that you know how much you want to lose first before putting in the lot size value, alright. So to recap our tutorial here, so in order for you to know on your lot size value, before you decide on your lot size value, and you have to know first your SL point price, right? And you have to measure your SL and TP price value, and then identify how much the lot size by knowing how much dollar value I'm going to lose or I'm going to earn. So that is the recap of this training. So I hope you learn it, and subscribe in this video or share this video. We have numbers of videos here in this channel. You can look at it, the strategies in the market, how you enter the trade, the calculation, that this is how this is sample. All right, so thanks, and good luck on your trading.